Welcome back, everybody. Again, we are trying to state what additional information should be given to us to show that these two bad boys right here, these two triangles, are congruent by the HL theorem. But remember, what must we show first to show that these are congruent by the HL theorem? Correct, you guys. We must show that these two are right triangles, which the only triangle I know is right now is triangle CDB. Okay, which that's a problem, because if I'm trying to show they're congruent by the HL theorem, both triangles must be right triangles. Okay, so let's see if there's something in my picture that will let me know that one of the angles in this triangle is a right angle, because if I can show that, that means it's a right triangle. Do you guys spot anything in the picture? Do you guys see it? I see it too. Do you guys see the X? Do you see it? Right there. Okay, so that means we have found a vertical angle, which means vertical angles are congruent. So if that angle is right, I know that that angle is also right. So first I need to say that I now know that IDJ is a right angle. And I know that because it's a vertical angle and the other angle is a right angle. So this is by the vertical angle theorem. So vertical angle theorem. Okay, so now I have two right angles in my triangles. I now know that they're right triangles because a right triangle is a triangle with a right angle. It's the definition. So I can now say that triangle DIJ and triangle, let's see here, CDB, are right triangles. And I know that because of the definition of a right triangle. That's what it means to be a right triangle. Definition of a right triangle. Okay, and again, if you want to separate these, it might be helpful. I've tried to leave myself more space, though, if you noticed. But anyways, what else was marked in my picture as congruent? Well, I know that segment ID is congruent to segment CD because it was given to me. And again, if I want to show these triangles are congruent by the HL theorem, I need to know, is this a leg or hypotenuse? Well, ID and CD make up the sides of the right angle, which means they are the legs, the leg. Okay, so I've shown a leg is congruent. So what must be given to me to show that these two triangles are congruent by the hypotenuse leg theorem? Man, you guys are on it today. You guys are so smart. I'm missing the hypotenuse. That's what they did not give to me and were extremely rude. So, rude. But anyways, hypotenuse is missing. And the hypotenuse in my triangle is the side directly across from the right angles, which would be these two sides. So I'm missing the fact that CB should have been marked congruent to IJ. That is what is missing from this picture to show they're congruent by the HL theorem. And that's all there is to it. So example 8, you guys, is pretty similar to this one. You're going to have to do something to establish that there's a right angle in this triangle. And then after that, nothing is marked congruent. So you might have to use one of those tricks up your sleeves to help you show that one of the sides is congruent, to show what additional things are necessary to show the triangles are congruent by the hypotenuse leg theorem. Okay, last problem of the day. Let's do it.